This is a must-have crypto credit card in 2022. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. In today's video, I'll be going over all the amazing benefits that this credit card offers. It is the perfect credit card to help you make some free crypto in 2022. But before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, the BlockFi credit card link will be in the description box as well. When this credit card came out last year, I was one of the first people to actually get the card and start using it. I love how I'm able to earn free crypto on every single purchase. Since I have gotten this card, I have pretty much stopped using the majority of my other credit cards, simply because I want to accumulate as much free crypto as possible. But that is not all. This credit card comes with a ton of amazing features and benefits. Now let's take a quick look at all the benefits that this credit card offers before I log into my account and show you exactly how much free Bitcoin I have made so far. The biggest benefit that this credit card offers is that it gives you back 1.5%, not in cash, but in crypto. And you get to choose from 10 different cryptocurrencies. So every time you go shopping and you swipe this credit card, you'll be earning free crypto. I will show you the 10 coins that you'll be able to learn once we log into my account. One other awesome perk about this credit card is that there's no annual fee. When this credit card first came out, it had an annual fee, but BlockFi removed the fee and now it is absolutely free with no annual fee whatsoever. And in my opinion, that is absolutely great simply because it allows you to keep more of the crypto that you make. Also, if you like to travel, there's 0 foreign transaction fees. So all you crypto millionaires that are moving to Puerto Rico to secure your profits, make sure you get this credit card and make even more free crypto. And now, one of the biggest benefits of them all is the extra 2% APY that you'll be earning on your stable coins in your BlockFi account. Also guys, if you use the BlockFi link in the description box below, you'll be able to get up to $250 worth of free crypto. Just depends on how much money you deposit. Also, all the crypto that you are keeping in your BlockFi account, you'll be earning free interest on it. So for example, if you have USDC and you're earning 8% APY on BlockFi, if you get this credit card, you will earn an additional 2%. So now you will be earning 10% APY on your stable coins. This is one of those amazing low-key benefits that not a lot of people are taking advantage of. But if you combine the free interest you earn on BlockFi plus the extra 2% APY, the money will definitely compound over time and you're going to be earning a decent amount of money. And now let's quickly go over some of the bonus features that you will get with this credit card. The credit card currently offers a 3.5% sign-up bonus for all purchases in the first 90 days of card membership, but it is also capped at $100 of free crypto. And for all you crypto traders out there, for every eligible trade with BlockFi, you will earn 0.25% back in crypto, up to $500 every single month. And now for all you big ballers out there, for every dollar that you spend over $50,000 per year, you will earn 2% back in crypto. And for all you popular kids, you can earn $30 in crypto for every client that you invite to BlockFi. But that is not all. BlockFi partnered up with Visa to bring you even more benefits. Some of these perks include access to luxury hotels, Visa Signature Concierge Service, fine food and wine events, premium car rental service, and shopping. As you can see, this credit card comes with a ton of amazing benefits. And now let's log into my BlockFi account so I can show you exactly how much free Bitcoin I have made so far. Now we are inside of my BlockFi account, and as you can see, I am down almost $2,000 this month alone. Crypto crashed once again, but I'm not worried at all. I believe long term, this is going to turn out to be one of the best investments out there. And here are my positions. I have just over 14,000 in USDC. I have around 3,000 in Uniswap, just over 600 in Bitcoin, and then $33 in Gemini USD. Once you click on credit card, it will show you your current balance and how much free crypto you have earned so far. And then right here, you will see the total rewards in Bitcoin that were paid out to me, $137. This was around $300, but Bitcoin crashed. That's why it is way lower right now. But that is absolutely fine with me. My goal is to accumulate as much free Bitcoin as possible. And right here, you can see every single month, I'm earning free Bitcoin. Also, guys, you can choose what you want to earn. If you're not a fan of Bitcoin, you can get free Ethereum or free Uniswap, Litecoin, Chainlink, Basic Attention Token. Let's see what other ones they got. Pax Gold, DAI, USDC Coin, Binance USD, Paxos, Gemini USD. So you definitely have a lot of different coins to choose from. Whatever coin you believe is going to do very well in the future, you can select it and then you can start earning it on every single purchase. Also, BlockFi makes everything super simple. On here, you are able to activate your card, you are able to freeze it, replace it, manage disputes, make payments. Everything is in one place, and in my opinion, it is super easy and simple to do. The reason why I'm excited about this credit card for 2022 is because a lot of people are predicting a major crash in crypto and in the stock market. And in my opinion, that presents a great opportunity to stack up on crypto. The lower the prices go, the more coins we are going to earn with this credit card. So once the market crashes, this will be a great way to accumulate some free crypto. Then once the market rebounds, all the rewards that we have earned with this credit card are going to be even bigger. In my opinion, this is a win-win situation. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. Let me know in the comment section below what is your favorite feature about this credit card. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below, and see you in the next video. Peace out.